Top 3 best editing apps for mobile phones, Android and iOS. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you top 3 editing apps on phone only. So the first app is video editor and maker, InShot. This one is one of the best apps and I use it personally for my videos. This one is one of the best. The second one is UCat. UCat Video Editor and Maker. It has more than 100 million downloads and I'm sure you will love making videos with it. The last one is one of the best video editing app and it's called KineMaster. KineMaster is one of the best videos if you start learning how to use it. I'm sure you will start making some cool videos with it. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.